Hi, I'm Adriana. I am 10 years old and will be going into the 5th grade this fall. I'm here at Wintergreen Kids News Network, where we cover real news by real kids in Aroostook County.
Hi, my name is Benjamin. I'm 8 years old and I'm going into 2nd grade this year. I like to ski, I like to fish, I like to go on my boat.
My name is Wilson. I'm 7 years old. I'm going into 2nd grade this fall. I am a fast runner. I like to ski. My favorite animal is a deer.
My name is Benjamin Hunter from WKNN, interviewing Wilson and Grant Clark from Buck Construction. We are here at the forum. We're going to ask them a couple questions. How old is Buck Construction?
Buck Construction has been around since 1970.
That's nice to know. Who started Buck Construction?
Blake Buck started Buck Construction.
How many employees do you have?
We have 30 to 35 employees.
Where is your office?
Our office is on the Mapleton Road.
How do your customers find you?
They ask other customers to see how they can find you.
What do you build?
We build steel buildings, industrial construction at mills and plants and potato process facilities, and we build potato storages for farmers.
Where do you buy your equipment?
We mostly buy it from Caterpillar down in Brewer.
How does it ship to you?
We have a flatbed truck that has a trailer truck trailer.
Where are we and what are you doing today?
We are at the Presque Isle Forum and we are installing a new scoreboard.
What kind of equipment do you have here today?
We have 2 boom lifts and a telehandler.
How many people does it take to do this job?
We have 4 employees here helping out today doing the job.
Have other people help with the project?
Yes, they have, and one of them is here working today.
How long will the job take?
We hope to be done tomorrow, so it'll be a 2-day project.
Why do they need a new scoreboard?
They don't really need a new scoreboard. They're getting a new scoreboard from Mechanical Services. The old one is staying, and the person who donated the scoreboard, his nephew plays youth hockey.
How big is the scoreboard?
It's 8 by 8 by 8, so it's a cube.
Has Buck Construction done anything else here?
Yes, in 1976, my great-grandfather poured the slab here.